Where'd she go? Hey, Sonia.
Good morning, Dan.
How are you doing today? Looks like I already represent Mr. Ferre on another case, I think.
I believe I am. Am I unmuted,
Good morning,
Sonia?
Tom. Can you hear us?
I certainly can, loud and clear. How are you? Wow,
Oh,
I logged
good.
in the first time.
Yoo-hoo! You're an expert now.
Wahoo! You no, quite the contrary. Man, ay. Sonia, I haven't talked to the jail yet about our other in custody. He's one of the usuals. He'll as soon as I talk to him, he'll be PR'd.
Sounds good. We're just waiting on Garrett in the jail, and FYI, we are going to have a family member of Mr. Logan watching the live stream.
Okay.
I'm hearing two of me. Can y'all hear that as well, or no?
Sonia, I hear you, but I don't hear anything else.
Okay. All right, sounds good. I don't know why I was. Okay, I echo myself.
Electronics.
We're gonna do what's working. I'm logged in on a LinkedIn for the day, but for some reason I tried this up twice, but they couldn't find. And I'm wondering if you can hear. I think it's doing it.
And your phone's not on?
Well, you know what? That's what it is. I think I'm logged in. I logged in just to make sure it was one. And then this one. Right.
Oh, I think it's just there. I think it's on your Google Clear TV. Yeah. See if it's.
Is that Garrett on the other line?
Do they need to be able to hear you?
Yeah, they can hear me.
Or they just mute your mic then.
So mine here.
Right here.
Garrett, you're coming in a little garbled to me. Maybe speak a little slower.
I can't hear him.
Are you able to hear this?
I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, there he is.
Hey,
Yeah,
Garrett,
sorry,
thanks.
everyone.
Hey, no problem. You are loud and clear as well.
Okay, so I think we have Mr. Christopher Ferrer.
Yes.
This is Dan Haverko. I'm the public defender. How do you pronounce your last name?
Correct.
Ferre?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Dan, Mr. Ferre, we don't need to, I can talk to him individually. The individual I wanted arraigned was Tracy Logan.
Sir.
Yeah, Mr. Ferre is there on a, Mr. Ferre, as long as we're on record, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
You were booked in on 2 counts of criminal trespass, 2nd degree. I'm going to appoint Mr. Haverko to represent you in this matter. I'm going to set your arraignment for the 20th. That's a Thursday this week. Mr. Haverko will be at your arraignment and he'll enter a plea on your behalf at that time. In the meantime, I will release you on your own recognizance with your promise to stay out of trouble and show up for court, okay?
Yes, sir. Thursday, correct?
Yeah, and I guess
Thank you.
he's got another case I represent him on from a couple months ago. I don't know if it's a warrant status or not.
Yes,
Perhaps we could get that one added on as well.
done.
So so you're going to get released, Mr. Ferre, and so you go ahead and see the custody officer, and you'll be released once the order comes over.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Can I have that? Send in Mr. Logan.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, here.
We have Mr. Logan present, Your Honor.
I am clicking on.
Mr. Haverko, are you in contact with Mr. Logan there?
I am.
Good morning, sir. Is your name Tracy Allen Logan?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yes, that's me. That's correct.
Mr. Logan, you were booked in and cited for the offense of driving under the influence of intoxicants on November 15th. That charge is a gross misdemeanor. The maximum penalty on conviction would be 364 days in jail and or a $5,000 fine. I'm going to appoint Mr. Haverko to represent you in this matter, and he will, this being your arraignment, will enter a plea on your behalf at this time.
Yeah.
Mr. Haverko?
Thank you, Your Honor. I've had an opportunity to review the the probable cause statement, would stipulate to probable cause, and ask the court to enter a not guilty plea, and then address release conditions.
At this time, my concerns at this time are there is a prior DUI back in 2000, a subsequent negligent driving conviction in 2007, amended down from reckless, and a dismissed neg 1 charge in 2019. With that's of concern to the to myself. Mr. Mr. Ratfield, on behalf of the city, any recommendation as to conditions of release and or bail?
Yes, Your Honor. The other there are Mr. Logan's history has a little bit of age on it, other than the dismissed charge from 2019. City's not overly concerned with a repeat, but would like additional conditions implemented to ensure Mr. Tracy doesn't reoffend pending this action, including scram.
Thank you, Mr. Ratfield. Mr. Haverco, on behalf of Mr. Logan, anything from yourself?
Well, if I could just, Mr. Logan, do you work right now? Do you have any source of income or, from doing work or?
No, I have a really bad back problem, sir, and I'm really not supposed to lay flat, and it's really been bothering me since I've been in here. In fact, I'm really having a hard time walking. I'm waiting to go get my urinary test done for my surgery, and then after that, they're gonna schedule my surgery, so it's like 2 months out from now, but this has been in here, it's really killing my back a lot. It's
Assuming the
supposed to be
court,
laying flat, it's supposed to be sitting up.
oh, okay. Assuming you'll get released, do you know how you'd get back and forth to court? Do you have some reliable way of getting back to and from court?
Yeah, I got my mom and dad to help me.
Yeah, I mean, you have people on the outside that can give you a ride?
Yeah, give me a ride to court, yeah.
Okay, I understand the city's request for scram. I don't recall what the cost on that is, but if I could ask you, Mr. Logan, if you had to estimate, what is your current monthly income?
I make, almost $14.95 a month. I'm on social security disability.
Okay. Your Honor, my concern is, I don't know. I mean, obviously, the court has to fashion conditions that are more concerned with public safety, of course. But I guess I'm just a little concerned of whether or not he's in a position to afford the cost of scram. I didn't know if the court would be willing to fashion conditions that are a little more lenient that. It looks like that more recent case that you mentioned, Your Honor, looks like that was just dismissed on the government's motion. So his actual alcohol history on his defendant criminal history is actually pretty old. So I would ask the court just to consider releasing him on his own recognizance with the admonition that, not to consume, any alcohol or non-prescribed drugs. Uh, don't refuse a breath test if asked to by a law enforcement officer, just the usual kinds of conditions. Short of scram, I just feel that his history is old enough that I don't know that scram is necessarily required to. And I also would mention that, and not that this makes it okay, it's not a defense, but
No.
the courts review the probable cause statement. If you look at what the portable breath test was, just for purpose of fashioning conditions, it was not extremely high.
It was 8.5. It was relatively low.
Yeah.
I
So
agree.
so I just asked the court to release him on his own, recognizance.
Okay. Mr. Ratfield, anything further?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Logan, I had been inclined to set bail on you. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to release you on your promise to obey the conditions I'm going to set, and those would be as follows. Do not drive a motor vehicle unless you're licensed and insured, and do not drive any vehicle that is not equipped with a ignition interlock device. No consumption of alcohol, and and driving. Any officer asks you to take a breathalyzer, you're to do so. Stay in touch with Mr. Haverco and appear for court at 1 o'clock on Thursday. Well, I guess we can set it for a pretrial at this point.
We have December 4th or December 18th.
December 4th? Yeah, okay, December 4th.
Mr. Logan, before you go, now that I'm thinking about it, do you have a phone number?
Available, but then December 4th, what time? I'll get something in the mail. Or no?
Mr. Logan, I heard December 4th. That would no. Listen to Mr. Haverco.
Mr. Logan, first of all, do you have a phone number when you're released? Do you have a phone number that I can reach you at?
Yeah, I got a cell phone number.
What is it?
253-606-6377.
6377. Okay, thank you so much. And Ms. Court Administrator, his court date is going to be December 4th at what time?
10 a.m.
Okay,
9 a.m. Okay,
10.
10 a.m. Okay.
thank you.
There's nothing further. That concludes the hearing, and with that, we can go off record.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Logan, good luck. See you on December 4th. Sonia, you still there?
All right. Are you there, Tom?
I'm still here. You bet.
Yeah. Everybody else has
Good, I
logged
can hear
off.
you. Okay, yeah, go ahead and prepare the necessary order and send it over to the jail, and we'll hope for the best.
I will do that, Tom. Thank you so much.
Okay, hey, thank you. Well, you take care. Have a good day, and we'll see what the weather brings us.
Sounds good. Take care, Tom.
I will. Take
Okay,
care.
bye-bye.
Signing off.